All right, this is where we're at, and our get out of jail free card is way up here. We're gonna keep doing it, keep going. I didn't drive 2.5 hours so I can be a wimp. Said the guy laying in the hospital bed. Ugh. Actually, it took about an hour and a half to get here, not 2.5. I'm having visions of Gifford. You know what I'm gonna do? Ooh. I wonder if I can get up on that bank. No. Everybody okay down there? Uh-oh. Okay, that was me. Okay. I think I just have to recheck the torque on those when I get home. Yeah. Alright. So when the back end, was going over there, it slid and moved my front end right into that, and I had a bad day. You know what? Heck with it. I'm going to try to go through it. I brought rope. I got shovels. And I can cut some logs. Woo! Yeah, you hear that back end spinning? Woohoo! Probably gonna have to break out the pressure washer when I get home. Oh no, back into the mud. Well, my first dump. Basically, I tried to stop so I could show everybody what that looked like. And it was too steep to stop. Yep, tried to go around that corner. Okay, that counts as a crash due to stupidity.